And now I'm going to teach you how to use the crystal singing bowl. Each one is a different size and a different width. And the reason why is because each one helps to make transformation with your chakras, energy point levels within inside your body. Do not forget, palms stretched out. Do not use your fingers. Make for sure that your palm is stretched out, and you want to put the bowl centered in the middle of your palm so that the healing energy comes from your hand. You want to focus on what it is that your intentions are. Have your wand going from the tip of your bowl and slowly going around. The crystal bowls are made of quartz crystal, ruby, tourmaline, rose quartz, amethyst, many different type of minerals. It depends on which one you want. We have many different type of bowls here for sale. Each one has a different purpose. And that's how you use them.